Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to connect the Sony GP-VPT3 wireless shooting grip to the Sony ZV-E1. If you are into vlogging, this combo makes your setup way easier. Step 1. Turn on Bluetooth on your ZV-E1. First, power on your Sony ZV-E1. Next, go to the menu, find the setup, and the Bluetooth settings. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, and also turn on the Bluetooth remote control inside the same menu. Step 2. Put the grip in the pairing mode. First, on the GP-VPT3 grip, press and hold the movie, which is with the red button, and the C1 button together for about 7 seconds. Second, the LED will start blinking. That means it's now in a pairing mode. To pair it in the grip, just hold on the red movie button and the C1 button together until the light blinks. Troubleshooting quick tips: make sure Bluetooth is on and Bluetooth remote controls is enabled. If pairing fails, restart both the grip and the camera. Ensure the grip's battery isn't drained. And that's it. Now you are ready to vlog hands-free with the Sony ZV-E1 and the GP-VPT3 grip. Super simple, and it makes shooting so much easier. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment about your own vlogging setup.